Welcome back to today. I am going to start remaining question of exercise 2.2. Question number 13. Change into find the value of x given function tan 1 by 2 in bracket sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So, given function tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Change this function. Now 2x upon 1 plus x square. Like that, let x is equal to tan. So 2 tan upon 1 plus tan square. This is sine formula of sine 2x. And same way 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So now put y in place of y tan theta 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, the value of cos 2 theta. So now let us start. Let x is equal to tan alpha and y is equal to tan beta. So now value of x and y put here, then tan 1 by 2 in bracket sin inverse 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha plus cos inverse 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta. This is formula of sin 2 theta and this is formula of cos 2 theta. So now tan 1 by 2 and sin inverse sin 2 alpha plus cos inverse cos 2 beta. Since sin inverse sin, so let 2 tan 1 by 2 sin inverse sin, so cancel out 2 alpha plus cos inverse cos cancel out 2 beta. So 2 common out, tan 1 by 2 into 2 bracket alpha plus beta. So 2 cancel out, so tan alpha plus beta. So now tan alpha plus beta, now alpha is equal to tan inverse x and beta is equal to tan inverse y. Now put tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So now this is formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So tan inverse tan, so cancel out 1 plus or tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is x y. This is answer. Question number 14. If sine in bracket sine inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Solution of this question: given sine inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Also you can write sine inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1. So this is value of 1 in sine inverse sine pi by 2. And also you can write same way sine inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x. So sine inverse sine is equal to this cancel out, so now pi by 2, and sine inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x. Find the value of x. So now cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5. Since we know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Also in place of x you can write 1 upon 5 take x is equal to 1 upon 5. So now sine inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse 1 upon 5 is equal to pi by 2. So now cos inverse 1 by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 upon 5. So now pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5 replace cos inverse 1 upon 5. So cos inverse x. So cos inverse cancel out, so x is equal to 1 upon 5. This is value of x is equal to 1 upon 5. Question number 15. If tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. Now given in question tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. So now also using formula, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Using this formula you can write tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 upon 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 upon x minus plus 2. So this is pi by 4 value. Take LCM above, so x minus 2 and x plus 2. So divide by this, cancel out, so get x plus 2 and x minus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 1, and plus x plus 2 divided by this, so gets x minus 2 and x plus 1. and also this is tan inverse and also remain. So LCM x minus 2 and x plus 2 minus x minus 1 and x plus 1 and also x minus 2 and x plus 2. So denominator cancel out, is equal to pi by 4. So also you can write tan inverse x square. So minus x plus 2x minus 2 plus x square, x into x plus x and minus 2x and minus 2 and also a minus b, a plus b. So x square minus 4 and minus a minus b, a plus b. So x square minus 1 square. So minus x plus 2x minus x. So cancel out, is equal to pi by 4. So also you can write tan inverse x square plus x square 2x square and minus 2 minus 4 divide by x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. So remove this right side. So 2x square minus 4 divided by this is cancel out. So minus 3 is equal to tan pi by 4. Value of tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 and 3x square minus 4 upon minus 3. So cross multiplication, multiply by this 3x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So this is now 2 and this is 2. So now 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 and 2x square is equal to 1. Therefore x square is equal to 1 upon 2. So x is equal to root 1 by 2. So this is x is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. So this is value of x is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. This is value of x given function. Question number 16. Find the value of each expression. So 16. Sin inverse in bracket sin 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3, range of sin inverse in sin, so does not belong to minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So 2 pi minus 90 to 90 and this 2 into pi 180 divided by 3 120. So now out of range. So this is not belong to in this. Now change in this between this range. So sin inverse sin 2 pi minus pi by 3. Sin inverse sin pi minus pi by 3. So sin pi minus pi by 3. So this value pi by 3 lies between in them. So pi minus 3 यानी कि this is 2 pi यानी कि sin pi minus 2 pi by 3 2 pi by 3 this is value in this. No, there is no change in find this second quadrant. So sin pi sin and there is no change according to this pi 180. So sin 180 minus theta, so sin theta. So there is no change value. So sin inverse sin cancel out. So get pi minus 2 pi by 3. So now this 3 pi minus 2 pi upon 3 is equal to pi by 3. So pi by 3 value this lies between in them. So this is answer. And also you can find this value. So now 3 pi upon 4, 3 into pi 180 divide by 4 get 45 and multiply by 3 135 does not belong to minus pi by 2. So this is not valid in this. So now change this tan inverse tan pi minus 3 pi by 4. So now this is pi minus pi by 4, this is minus pi by 4. So tan, this is minus common out, tan inverse tan pi minus 3 pi by 4. So minus tan inverse tan cancel out. So pi minus 3 pi by 4. So minus, so LCM gets 4 pi minus 3 pi upon 4. So this is minus pi by 4. This is answer. Question number 18, tan. Given tan in bracket sin inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Now find the value, change into simplest form, find the value of whole part. So now change tan and also tan. So now tan sin written this way 3 upon 5 plus cot change tan inverse 2 upon 3 and also change this with the help of trigonometry. So this p by h, p 3 h for 5. So 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9 is equal to 16 4. So this is suppose theta. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. This use in this way is place. So tan sin, this is tan inverse 3 by 4 and plus tan inverse 2 upon 3. So since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse 1 tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. This is formula used in this way. So we can write tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3 minus 1 3 upon 4 into 2 by 3. So tan inverse 4 3s are 12 taking LCM, and also 3 9 plus 3 4 2 8, and also write 4 3s are 12 minus 6 upon 12 cancel out. So this is 12 cancel out. So tan inverse, so 9 plus 8 17, and 12 minus 6 upon 6. So tan inverse 10, so cancel out 17 upon 6. This is answer. That's all.